Objective number 2, solve a system of linear equations by graphing. Example 3, we want to solve the system by graphing, so let's label 1 and 2. So for equation number 1 graphing, we recall in chapter 3, we have two ways to graph. We can either solve for y by minus 3x both sides, and then we do the point slope form to graph. So that is one way, and the other way we can make the table. Okay, so I use the slope and point to graph. So 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the y-intercept, and then the slope is negative 3 over 1. It's like go down and go to the right. So we go 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be hit 4, and it's turn right 1. So that is our first line. So this is our first line, right? And then our second one, number 2, I'm doing the same thing. I will solve for y. Add 2x both sides. And then I divide by 3. So our y-intercept will be negative 4. And then the slope is 2 over 3. So we have 2 up and 3 right. So we have 2 up, so we will hit negative 2. And then we turn right 3 steps. Okay, so what do we see is that we have this point in common. So we read this point, so that is 3 on the x and negative 2 on the y. So we find a point where the two graphs meet, and that is the solution. And if you have a time, you check this by plugging x equal to 3 and y equal negative 2 into the system, so that we should get the true statement for both. And we see that we get a true statement because 7 equal to 7. And negative 6 add negative 6 is negative 12 equal negative 12. So that's how we check our work to see if we get it right or wrong.